with the Arroyo High School Farm Lab, and today I would like to talk to you about hydrophobia. This has to do with our soil health. So as we're getting into the summer months, it's going to get hotter and hotter, and you want to understand how often do you need to water your plants. Well, that really depends on how much sun they're getting and what type of soil they have. So something that happens often in the summertime is something called hydrophobic soil. So hydrophobic soil just means that the soil, when it sits a really long time in the sun, or maybe an area that's been burned by a wildfire, the soil gets extremely dried out, which means all of the living material in the soil can't survive. Most of the bacteria and worms and little critters that live in the soil, they need water, just like we need water. So hydrophobia happens when you pour the water onto your hydrophobic soil, and instead of absorbing, it just pools up on the top. Let me show you a little closer here. All right, there's your hydrophobic water. Do you see? It's just pooling up on the top and it's not permeating at all. So just like a person who is severely dehydrated, it takes a little time for the water to absorb. So if you have hydrophobic soil, you might need to put a little bit of water and then walk away for 30 minutes and then come back and water it again, and probably then again a third time. So that will be a temporary fix to get the water back in your soil, but to keep it from drying out again, you need to add some organic material. So any sort of wood chips, mulch, compost, all of that will help hold the moisture into the soil. So here is a pot of soil that has really rich organic material. I've got lots of compost and mulch in here, and I've got a ginger root that's waiting to be sprouted. So check out the difference when I pour the water into my non-hydrophobic soil. It pools up, but it permeates down very quickly and drips out the bottom. Should always have holes in the bottom of your pot to prevent root rot. So here we have our hydrophobic soil with no organic material, and our regular soil with lots of good organic material. If you have more questions about this, you can send me a message at ecourban.gardens.org. Thank you so much and happy planting!